What up, players? Today we're going to find out if this $20 action cam is any good and if it's bulletproof.
This is, you listening to Travis.
Now before we get started, I know that you just want to fast forward and watch me shoot this thing, and listen, I promise one thing, we'll get to it. I won't even make you wait long, but watch a little bit of this. Trust me, I'll entertain you. While you're here, why don't you like and share this video and comment below. Do you think this thing's going to be bulletproof? Because I know you're not going to buy it. All right, here we are, the Naxa action cam. There's multiple versions. This one is the NDC-405. They have 1080p and 4K, if that's what they want you to think. Of course, the chances of this being anything remotely close to that is very slim. This was 22 bucks. You would hope, in an age of cheap 4K and 1080p, you'd be able to get a 720p that looks great, because, you know, 720p is kind of like 10 years ago. So, I don't know. I don't know what that is. There's a thing. There's a thing. Like a bike mount. There's another mount. It's like a GoPro type mount. There's another micro USB that lets charge this thing up. Wiry thing. Whatever. Of course, here we are. If you only have $20 to spend on an action camera, you shouldn't spend $20 on an action camera. Let's be honest. What the hell are you doing with your life? You can turn it on and off. You can push this button. And there's even 2 more buttons. Don't forget about the fact you can put a micro USB card in there and completely waste your time. For $20, you can hardly complain. Or can you? This thing is a POS. These buttons are hard as hell to push. The plastic is cheap. The camera quality is bad. It's all the things you would want to shoot. So what does a video from a $20 action camera look like? Well, let me show you. I threw it because, you know, it's an action cam. Gotta get some action. Shopped with it. And I wanted to check if it's waterproof, so I took it in the shower. No, I really did. So for 20 bucks, I mean, you got a good shower camera. Sorry about that. But more than anything, I know you just want to see me shoot this thing. So without further ado, let's go out to the woods. What up, players? I'm in the middle of nowhere with guns and no cell service. This sounds like the beginning of a bad movie. Look at this great area over here. There's so much room. There's snow. I haven't seen snow where I live in, I don't know, a couple months. And there's bullets everywhere. You guys are gonna see. We're gonna take a really close look. But check this place out. It's a rock quarry, and I don't know, there's probably dead people out there and stuff. I'm not real sure, but go ahead and check it out. Crappy action cam against the gun. Let's find out what happens. Did you hit? I think I hit it. I'm kidding. I think I hit it. We'll have to go take a look and see what happened. In between us shooting and grabbing this, some law enforcement came to me. Wasn't real happy we were shooting electronics, so I gotta make sure I pick up every little thing or he's gonna be upset with me, so let's see what happened here. Well, it got shot out of the actual case. Looks like it got shot out of the case right through here. Pushed it back, and there goes my $20. Here's this. Ah, there it is. Yes, indeed. I suspect this no longer works, is my guess. And there's more plastic everywhere. Okay, yes, this did not survive. Oh my goodness. That's a shotgun. I think that's a shotgun shell. Okay, yeah. Oh yeah. So he was right. Lots of debris. This is what I'm left with, well, except minus this. With the $20 action cam. Let's see if it. I don't know if it got any footage, but we're gonna try to get it. Let's recap this thing right after this. So as you probably guessed, the $20 action cam is not bulletproof. No big surprise there. But it's lots of fun to shoot it. So should you buy it? Nope, don't do it. Save your money. Just watch this video instead. But I hope you liked it. If you did, subscribe, share it, show all your friends. Peace and love. Peace and love.